Started. Hello students, very good morning to all of you. And yes, as you all know, we have started this KCET Masterstroke series, and today we are going to solve questions from the chapter that we studied yesterday, that is Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. So tell me first whether you have revised this chapter or not, and if you have any doubt in this chapter, or we can go with the first question then. So yes, tell me. Good morning to everyone. Yes, so okay. So students, as you know, this series is going to be very effective, okay, and these questions are not those PYQs. I know most of you would have already solved the PYQs. If not, it is also there in our session. You can just watch for, but these are some very good questions. Some questions are of little I can say tricky, difficult, some are moderate. So a very good session we will be having today based on your participation. So yes, good morning Pradeep, good morning Shagufta. Pradeep, this session will be hardly 30 to 40 minutes. I'll try to wind it up. Okay. Hello Mr. Artist, how are you? Sagufta, I am very fine, and I hope that you all are doing well here. Good morning Adi, good morning Nishita. Yes. So students, let's start, okay? With full josh we are going to start the session, and I want everyone to answer. Whether it is wrong or correct, I want full participation. Everybody should be answering the questions with question number, okay? So let's get, and here is the first question for all of you. Which is a gem dihalide out of these following options? CH3, CH, Br2, CH2, Br, Br, CH2, Br, CH3, CH, Br, CH2, Br, none of this. So yesterday while discussing the classification, I told you what is gem dihalides and what is vicinal dihalides, right? So you have to find out this one and guess which one is gem halide out of the four following options. Let's see who is answering first here. Yes, so students, please share this, okay, give it to all your friends, let everyone join and let everyone participate, and let's study together and get our dream rank, that is top 1000 rank, okay? We all be working hard for this. I got option number B, okay. Yes, let me see all of you. So Aryan, okay. So here if I draw the structure of the one you have told, right, option number B, if you see this is, let me choose a different color, okay, CH2Br, okay, then you have CH2 and you see two Brs are there. Is this structure possible, students? Carbon has how much valency? 4 valency, right? So can we get 5 number of atoms here in one carbon? So this option is incorrect. Those who are telling A, Shagufta is correct here. Shagufta and Madan are correct. That is your option number A. Gem dihalide means what? Gem dihalides means on the same carbon you have 2 X groups, right? So here the valency is disturbed. The valency is not given correctly. If you see this structure, it is CH3, okay, then you have CH, Br and Br, right? So yes, all of you are correct here. Correct answer is option number A, okay? Now I think no doubt in this question. Let's move to the next question. Pick up the correct statement about alkyl halides, okay? We know the properties of alkyl halides, so you have to tell me which is the correct statement or which is the correct property of alkyl halide. The first one is they show hydrogen bonding. They are soluble in organic solvents. They are soluble in water. They do not contain any polar bond. Yes, see the question and answer me quickly. Which is the correct property of alkyl halides? Yes, I want answer from all the 24 students who are watching this video right now. 2B. Yes, Pradeep is absolutely correct here. They are soluble in organic solvents. We know they do not form hydrogen bonding because there is no electronegative atom like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Then they are not soluble in water, and they do not contain, they contain polar bonds, right? If you have Rx, this is delta minus and this is delta plus, okay? So that is why this is your polar bond. So that is why this statement is wrong. Correct answer is option number B. Yes, yes, mind blowing students, all have answered correctly in this question. So you have to give yourself score, okay, +1 for every correct answer and 0 marks for wrong answer. At the end of the session you have to tell me the how much marks you are scoring. Okay, moving to the next question. A sample of chloroform before being used as an anesthetic is tested by. This question is little tricky. So this question was little tricky question. So let me see how many of you have answered this one correctly. Okay, so a sample of chloroform, we know that chloroform is used for the process of anesthetic, right, to make unconscious. So when a sample of chloroform before being used as an anesthetic is tested, okay, so its purification is tested. How pure is that anesthetic? So it is used by what all methods? So AgNO3 solution, Fehling solution, AgNO3 solution after boiling with alcoholic KOH and with ammoniacal Cu2Cl2. Yes. Students, please answer with question number. Let me see who has answered here correctly. Okay, Shagufta 3A, Manikant D, Madan A. So students, I'll tell you the correct answer. This is something little of higher level. Okay, so this is your option number C. AgNO3 solution after boiling with alcoholic KOH. Please note down this question. This can be asked. Now, why it is done? This process is done to purify the chloroform. Okay, because it is used as an anesthetic, so it must be in a pured form. So to test that whether it is pure or not, we do reaction with AgNO3 solution and then boiling it with alcoholic KOH. Okay, so this was an important question, so please mark it. Now let's go to the next question number 4. The phosphorus pentachloride reacts with ethanol to give you. Very easy question. Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with ethanol to give you. So you have ethanol, okay, and ethanol, and you are reacting with phosphorus pentachloride. What will be the product formed here? Yes, Babu, yes, you are correct. Okay, this is very easy question. Can you answer? It is ethyl chloride, ethylidene chloride, ethylidene chloride, and none of this. So this is one of the option is ethylene chloride. Okay, yes, ethylidene chloride, ethylene chloride, ethyl chloride, and none of these. Yes, all of you are correct here. This is simple C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride. Yes, all of you are correct here. Pradeep, Mani. Yes, option number A is the correct answer. Next question. In SN1 reaction, the first step involves the formation of a free radical, carboanion, carbocation, and final product. We have discussed yesterday, right? What is SN1 mechanism? How many steps are there? So what is the first step in the SN1 reaction? Okay, please answer this question quickly. Let's see. Yes. Yes, carbocation is the correct answer. That is absolutely correct. If you have Rx, in step 1 what happens? R plus and X minus is formed. After that, on R plus you have the nucleophile, and this nucleophile attacks this one to give you RNU. Okay, so the correct answer is option number C, carbocation, 5C. All of you are correct. Let's move to the next question. Sodium ethoxide reacts with ethyl iodine to yield. Okay, to yield means to give. Okay, sodium ethoxide reacts with ethyl iodine to yield CH2CH2, C2H2OCH3, this is C2H5, okay, C2H5OCH3. Let me correct the options here. This is C2H5OCH3, this is C2H5OC2H5. What will be the product here? Okay, yes, options are little like typing error. Just make these two options are given. Which is the correct answer? Sodium ethoxide reacts with ethyl iodide. Yes, C is the correct answer. You know, you have sodium ethoxide, that means C2H5O minus Na plus. Okay, it reacts with ethyl iodide, C2H5I. What will be the product here? What will be the product? See, this is minus, right? This is a negative charge, and here you know this is delta minus, this is delta plus, so minus will attack on the plus, this minus will attack on this plus, so you will get C2H5 plus NaI. Okay, that's all students. All of you have got correct here. Question number C. Let's move to the next one. This is a question, the reaction based question. You have bromobenzene, you are treating it with magnesium dry ether, you are getting A. What A is there? That is reacted with dry ice. So what is dry ice? You should be knowing. And after that there is H plus and H2O to give you B. So what is B? The final product here will be what? That is what you have to answer. Seventh question, all of you answer here. Reaction is there, very, very important reaction, this one. Yes, do it by mind, okay? Try to do it, solve it in your mind and then directly tell me the answer. Yes, Madan is correct here, Sagufta is correct, it is benzoic acid. So first what happens when you treat it with Mg, okay? So that is Grignard reagent is formed, MgBr. This is your option number A, sorry, product A, Grignard reagent is formed. After that you have CO2, right? So this one will give you, sorry, this is delta plus and this is minus, this one will attack on this one, this bond, and here we get COOH, benzoic acid. So dry ice is what? Dry ice is carbon dioxide. Okay, option number A. Yes, all are correct here. Very good, students. Next, question number 8. This is also little, I'll say, tricky question or a bit difficult question. Yes, which set of reagents will produce Freon 12? So we know Freon 12 is produced from Schwartz reaction, right? Yesterday I told you. What's the formula of Freon 12? CCl2F2. Okay, so which of this reagent can give you, or which of this reaction can produce CCl2F2? Remember, it is Schwartz reaction, and in Schwartz reaction what do we use? We use metal fluorides. Okay, so this is a hint that I am giving you. Based on that, can you choose the answer? Very, very easy one, this one. Little tricky, but yes. Yes, Sagufta and Pradeep Srinivas. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay, so what is the purpose of using this HF? HF and SbCl2 will react to give you SbF2. Okay, that is your metal fluorides. Once metal fluorides reacts with this one, 2 of the chlorines will be replaced with 2 of the fluorines. Okay, yes, Manikant, you are absolutely correct. Chlorofluoro compounds are called as freons. Question number 9. Chloroform is kept in dark colored bottles because, very easy question, which and one of the most important question as well. It is inflammable. Inflammable means, what is the meaning of inflammable? Something which can catch fire easily. Okay, which can catch fire easily. That is the meaning of inflammable. It undergoes rapid chlorination. It gives peroxide. It is oxidized to a poisonous gas called as phosgene. Yes, all of you are correct here. Option number D is the correct answer. It is oxidized to phosgene. Okay, so yes, all of you are doing really great, students. Let's move to the 10th question now. Which statement is correct here? C2H5Br reacts with alcoholic KOH to form C2H5OH. C2H5Br when treated with metallic sodium gives ethane. C2H5Br when treated with sodium ethoxide forms diethyl ether. C2H5Br with AgCN forms ethyl cyanide. So this is from which concept? This question is asked from your nucleophilic reactions of Rx. Right? I have discussed yesterday, I have showed you a table, I have given you all the reactions. So which is the correct statement here? A. No, those who are saying A, please mark here. It is alcoholic KOH, not aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH will give you ROH. Alcoholic KOH will give you alkene, elimination reaction. 10th, those who are saying A, it is completely wrong. No, no, no. Yes, Sony, it will be enough for your preparation. Do not worry, we have given the best questions. No, Srinivas, these are not PYQs, but these questions are similar to PYQs. PYQ questions have already been solved. So some of the questions are PYQ, some of the questions are different here. No. Those who are saying A, I got only one student giving the correct answer here. I don't know why. Pradeep has given correct answer and one more student has given. Sindhu is also correct here. So I'll be telling you all the reactions. See, when C2H5Br is reacting with alcoholic KOH, option number A. C2H5Br reacting with alcoholic KOH. Remember the difference. We have aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH. If it is alcoholic KOH, product formed here is C2H4. Okay, there will be double bond formation. Next means ethane will form. Okay, but if you do aqueous KOH, then you will get C2H5OH. Okay, but here what is given? Alcoholic KOH. So this one will produce ethene. So that is why this statement is wrong. Okay. Okay. Next one is C2H5Br when treated with metallic sodium. So if you remember metallic sodium, which reaction is this one? C2H5Br with metallic sodium. This is your Woods reaction, right? Yesterday only I taught you reaction with metals, Woods reaction. What will be the product here? C2H5, or I'll write like this. It will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, right? Woods reaction. Which reaction? Woods reaction, right? So that is why this statement is also wrong. Next, C2H5Br when reacted with sodium ethoxide forms diethyl ether. This one just now we discussed. Option number C, sodium C2H5Br reacts with sodium ethoxide. Okay, so what will happen? This one will react here. So we will get, okay, so that is why this statement is correct. That is diethyl ether. Next, C2H5Br with AgCN will not give you cyanide. With AgCN we will get isocyanide. Right? So that is why this statement is also wrong. Okay, so 10C is the correct answer. Next, CH3NH2 reacts with CH3MgX to give you what? This is also very important question. Yes. Okay, Sony, we will include extra questions as well, okay? Fine, Uday, you were also giving the correct answer. Now please answer this question number 11. 11, acetone, no. CH3NH2, okay, reacts with CH3MgX. Just imagine like this. Okay, so what will happen? Yes, anyone can guess the answer here. Let me see if anyone has given correct answer yet. No, nobody has given correct answer. See how this reaction takes place. All of you please see. You know what? This is minus, okay, and this is plus. Similarly here I can say this is plus and this is minus, okay. So what happens? This CH3, okay, 1 second, okay. Okay, so what does this do? It releases one H plus, okay, CH3 NH minus and one H plus is formed here, okay. Now this one reacts with this MgX, okay, and this H plus is taken by this CH3. So the product formed here is CH4 plus. See how the CH4 is coming? This CH3 is taking one H from here, okay, it is taking one H from here, and this one is reacting with this MgX. So you will get CH3 NH MgX. Okay, so the correct product here is methane. Nobody has given correct answer here, so all of you please write down. No, ethane is not the correct answer, dear. Please correct it. Correct answer is methane. Yes, please all of you note down this question. Those who have got wrong, I think almost all of you have got this answer wrong. So it is methane, okay. This one, see how alcohols are there, right? Alcohols can donate one H plus, acidic nature is seen. Similarly, this will give you one H plus, and that is taken by this CH3, and this one form bond with MgX. Okay, so please give the correct, write down this question because all of you got it wrong. Next, methyl chloride reacts with silver acetate to yield. This is also important question. I told you, right, the questions will not be very easy this time. Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride reacts with silver acetate, CH3COOAg, to give you what? Yes, what will be the product here? This is also a nucleophilic reaction. We have discussed this one. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Can you just find 12A? No, Nishmita is wrong. Pooja Yadav is correct here. That is methyl acetate. That is methyl acetate. See what will happen. This one will attack here, and this one, always remember, always find the plus and minus, okay? Plus will combine with minus, minus will combine with plus. So this CH3 will combine with this one, so I'll get CH3, C double bond O, OCH3. So that is methyl acetate, option number B, okay? Yes, those are saying B, that is correct. Other than that, all options are wrong, okay? Next, question number 13. Ethylidene dichloride. Ethylidene dichloride means your gem dihalides, okay? CH3CHCl2 can be prepared by the addition of hydrogen chloride on. Okay, so you want to prepare this one, CH3CHCl2. This can be prepared by the addition of HCl on what? Okay, that is the question here. Yes, you can add it to C2H6 or C2H4 or C2H2 or all of these. All of these, no. Chintu is wrong here. Sashikala B, okay. So Sashikala, see, if you add C2H4, it is like this, right? C2H4. If you add HCl once, you can add only one time HCl. So you will get H and Cl here, right? We won't get dihalide if you add to C2H4. Yes, Kavita is correct. Kavita is correct. Those who are saying B, it is wrong. Yes, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer here. C. Yes, C2H2, you have like this, right? Triple bond. Now one time you add HCl, what will happen? It will become like this. Okay, another time you add HCl, so again it will become like this. So we can get gem dihalide in that case. Yes, C is the correct answer here. Next, question number 14. In the following sequence of reaction, okay, so you have to find the reaction and tell me what is the final product for this one. I hope this is visible. If not, I will just write down the question. This one is like this, CH3, CH2I, okay. Then you have KOH, that is alcoholic KOH. Then you get A, then you just treat it with Br2, you give it B. Then you have NaNH2 or NH3 ammonia you take and you get C. What is the end product here? Yes, very simple question. Yes, students, can you tell me what will be the correct answer in this question? Whether it will be an alkene, alkanol, alkyne or alkyl amine. Alkene, alkanol, alkyne or alkyl amine. Alkyl amine. Rohit is wrong. Pooja is also wrong. Vishal is correct here. Option number C is the correct answer. Students, amine will not form. Whenever you see ammonia doesn't mean it will give you amine. Okay, it is not like that. When you do alcoholic KOH, you will get ethene. Okay, that is alcoholic KOH. Next, if I do bromine, it is CH2, CH2, Br and then Br. Okay. Then if you treat it with NaNH2, what does it do? It removes HBr. Removes HBr. So what will happen? HBr, one HBr will be removed like this, another HBr will be removed, and you will get one alkyne as the product. Okay, correct answer is alkyne here. Anirudh, okay, I have taken your name. Next question is also similar. Can you answer this one? Yes, 14th is all of you have done correct. 15th question. 15th one. Yes, students, 15th question, quickly answer, very similar to this. CH3, CH2, CH2Br, alcoholic KOH, you get A. Then you take HBr, then you take KOH, aqueous KOH, and then you get C. So the final product C here is what you have to find. Final product C. Yes, Babu Nadaf is correct here. Propane 2OL will be the correct answer. What will be A? A will be, okay, first we will get one alkene. Then if you treat it with HBr, you will get Markovnikov addition. Here there will be, okay, then if you do aqueous KOH, this is replaced with OH. So propane 2OL is the correct answer. Yes, 15D is the correct answer. Next question, number 16. Optically active compound is, which of the following is optically active? Yes, optically active compound. 2-chloropropane, 3-chlorobutane, 3-chloropentane, none of these. You know, optically active compounds are those which has 4 different groups attached, right? So yes, tell me which is the correct answer here. Students, please answer with question number. I am not able to know which one you are answering. 16B. Yes, Nashmita Shetty is correct. 2-chlorobutane is the optically active compound. So if you see, it is like this, 2-chlorobutane, right? So you can see that this carbon, one side it is ethyl group, one side methyl group, one side chlorine, one side hydrogen. 4 different groups are attached, so it is optically active. Yes, all of you are correct. 17th question. Propyl iodide and isopropyl iodide are what type of isomers? You have to tell me. Functional isomers, chain isomers, metamers, or position isomers? Yes, propyl iodide and isopropyl iodide. Yes, hello, you are correct. Yes, position isomers is correct here. Propyl iodide is like this, okay? This is propyl iodide and isopropyl iodide is this one, okay? So I is present on the first carbon, here I is present on the second carbon, so it is position isomers. Yes, all of you are correct here. Next question. Reagents not used to prepare an alkyl halide from alcohol. So you have to prepare alcohol and 2-alkyl halide. Which of the reagent cannot be used? So from alcohols to alkyl halide, there were 6 methods of preparation we saw, right? Only from here to here there were 6 methods. So which of them cannot be used? You have to tell me. Yes, NaCl is correct. Here Pradeep has already answered. These all things can be used, this one we cannot use, okay? Yes. Next question. Isobutyl chloride and butyl chlorides are dash isomers. Which type of isomers? Isobutyl chloride and butyl chlorides. Functional isomers, chain isomers, metamers, or position isomers? Yes, 18B is the correct answer. Next question. Isobutyl chloride and butyl chloride. Yes, Sony, whatever series we have, that is definitely enough. Please follow them regularly, you will get it correct. 19D, position isomers. Isobutyl chloride and butyl chloride, no. 19, those who are saying, see, let me tell you the structure of isobutyl chloride. This is isobutyl chloride, okay? And what is butyl chloride? This is butyl chloride, Okay, this is butyl chloride. So here what is the chain? This is a 3 carbon chain, right? And this is a 4 carbon chain. So is it? Yes, it is chain isomer. Option number B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next, question number 20. Phosgene is the common name for. Okay, so what is the common name of phosgene? Kifayat, we will be providing it soon. Okay. Yes, Kifayat, we will provide it soon. Phosgene is the common name for CO2 and PH3, phosphoryl chloride, carbonyl chloride or carbon tetrachloride. Yes, all of you are correct. Carbonyl chloride, COCl2. The structure is like this. Okay, so correct answer is option number C. Next, 21. For a given alkyl group, the densities, melting point and boiling point are in the order of. Yes, students, all of you should answer. PDFs will be provided, students, please do not worry, you will be getting it soon. Okay, for a given alkyl group, the densities of melting point, boil, what can be the order for all the three? Okay, yes, here I think Vaibhav has given correct answer. Okay, so you know, as the mass increases, okay, mass increases, melting point, boiling point, density, everything will increase. So here iodine mass is more, so that is why the order is like this. Okay, next, question number 22. Alkyl halides on treatment with a suspension of Ag2O moist in ether gives you. This is also important question. Alkyl halides on treatment with suspension of moist Ag2O. What is the product formed here? Alkanol, alkanal, alkanes or alkoxyalkane? Yes, question number 22. Yes, Babu Nadaf is correct here, alkoxyalkane, so that will give you an ether. Okay, ether is the correct answer here. Yes, all of you are correct. Move to the next question. Which compound undergoes elimination reaction easily? Okay, so we know that one of the reactions shown by haloalkanes is elimination. So if these all are haloalkanes given, which one will undergo elimination easily? Which of the following will undergo? So you have here bromine, that is a chain bromine. Here you have chlorine. Here two options you have iodine. Please see the options correctly and answer. Hanan, you can do like 30 to 40 questions is fine. Yes, 23D. Those are saying 23D is the correct answer. Okay, so first of all, what is the reason? Elimination, okay, occurs by the formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation, right? So if there is formation of carbocation, what will happen? You should see most stable carbocation. So here there is a primary carbocation and here there is 1, 2. So this is a tertiary carbocation, right? And after that iodine bond is very weak, so that will break easily. So that is why A out of A, B, C, D, D is the correct answer. Okay, two reasons. One is iodine will break first, so we can eliminate. Ri bond is very weak, so you can easily eliminate these two options. Okay, you can easily eliminate these two options. Now here you see iodine is also present, here is also iodine present, so elimination basically goes through carbocation formation. So here the carbocation will be more stable, so that is why option number D. Okay, next, question number 24. 1-phenyl 2-chloropropane on treating with alcoholic KOH. On treating with alcoholic KOH, you have 1-phenyl 2-chloropropane. Okay, 1-phenyl 2-chloropropane on treatment with alcoholic KOH. Yes, very good. So you can see that if you treat alcoholic KOH, okay, so we know more substituted alcohol will form, one more substituted alkene will form. So here this is more substituted, so correct answer is 1-phenyl propene. Okay, 24A. No dear, this is alcoholic KOH, so there is no alcohol formed. If it would have been aqueous KOH, then Cl will be replaced with OH. But alcoholic KOH means it is always elimination reaction. It is elimination reaction and more substituted alkene will form. Okay. Next, last 5 questions, students. Let's move faster. Last 5 questions. Which is more reactive to SN2? CH3I, C2H5I, C3H7I, C4H9I. Most reactive to SN2. Yes, can you tell me this one quickly? Yes, we know SN2 reaction does not follow, is less sterically hindered. Less sterical hindrance is there in this compound, so that is why option number A. Yes, very good. Next question. The combination which produces tert-butyl alcohol when treated with Grignard reagent. So you have to tell a combination which one will give me tert-butyl alcohol. Okay, which combination will give me tert-butyl alcohol on treating with Grignard reagent. Okay. Yes, very good students, very good. Can you answer this one? Tert-butyl alcohol. Tert-butyl alcohol will always be produced if you have ketone on this side. Remember that one. If you have ketone on this side, you will get tert-butyl alcohol. Yes, 26. No, what I want ketone on this side, right? So here that is alcohol, here it is alcohol, we will eliminate this option. Here CH3CO, CH3 is there, here also CH3CO, CH3 is there. Now if you see this one, here it is C2H5MgBr, right? So that means it will come C2H5MgBr. We don't want that. We want what here? CH3. So that is why this is the correct answer, option number A. Yes, all of you are correct here. Next, 27. Formation of alkane by the action of Zn on alkyl halide is called. Yes, this is something important one. Now see, this question is not there in NCERT. Okay, this reaction is not there in NCERT, but it was asked in previous year questions. So please know this one. So like you have, suppose Rx on treatment with zinc, you are getting RR. Okay, very similar to Woods reaction, but in Woods reaction what do we use? Sodium. Okay, but if it is used zinc, then what is the name of this reaction? No. Yes, Franklin reaction is the correct answer. See, again I am saying this is not there in NCERT, but this reaction has been asked in previous year questions. So please, you should be knowing this reaction. Okay, if Woods reaction is there, if sodium is there, then it is called Woods reaction. If it is zinc, then it is called Franklin reaction. Okay. Yes, note down this question. Next, the antiseptic character of iodoform is due to. Why there is antiseptic property of iodoform? Antiseptic property of iodoform is due to its poisonous nature, liberation of free iodine, unpleasant smell, none of the above. Yes, liberation of free iodine, all of you know this. This is given correct. Yes. Next question. When CCl4 is boiled with KOH, the product formed is. This is also very important question. You have CCl4, okay, boiled with KOH. This is very important question. Important question, and the second last question of this series. Yes, Sagufta is correct for 29th question as well. Okay, so what happens here? See, this all gets first replaced with OH. Okay, Now you know on one carbon 2 OH is not possible. So what happens? There is dehydration, H2O is removed and double bond O is formed. Similarly here also it is not possible, H2O is removed and double bond is formed. So CO2 is the correct answer. Okay, those who are saying D, it is correct answer. Next, moving to the last question of this series, last question of haloalkanes and haloarenes. C2H5Br can be obtained in the laboratory by the action of ethyl alcohol with. Very, very easy question. You want to obtain C2H5Br, okay, from ethyl alcohol, okay. So by the using what reagent? Okay, so that is the correct question here. Please read the options carefully. Options can be little confusing. You need to know the correct option exactly. A, I got A. B, yes, Babu Nadaf is correct here. 30. D is the correct answer. KBr with concentrated H2SO4. If you use only KBr, that is not correct. NH4Br is not there. If you are using Br2, with that you have to use red phosphorus, but with KBr you have to use concentrated H2SO4. Let me just revise once again. If you have ROH, okay, you can use HCl plus ZnCl2, okay, then you can use NaBr plus H2SO4. That can be used even with KBr is also fine. Then you can use PCl3, you can use PCl5, you can use SOCl2. Okay, these are the 5 methods that is there. So this is what something is asked, and one more you can use is X2 with red phosphorus. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all students in this session, and I am really happy to see so much participation from all of you. So please keep joining, please keep sharing these videos with all your friends, and let everyone come and let's solve it together. Remember, our target is top 1000 rank. Okay, we are not going to settle it nothing less than this. So keep working hard and let me know in the comment section how was the session. Did you enjoy solving questions or not with me? Let me know that. Okay, thank you so much students, and see you soon. So your exams are near. I won't be wasting much of your time. So please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Okay, so yes, that's all students. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you have any doubts in this particular class, you can put that in the comment section as well. I will be sharing, I'll be clearing that doubt. Okay. Okay, thank you so much students. So that's all, and see you soon in the next class. So remember, today 3 PM we have Ankit sir's class, so that where he will be discussing the chapter, and tomorrow we will be having again the live class at 11 AM with Somik sir. Okay, so please stay tuned students, and this series is going to be really a game changing series where you will be getting all the best questions, best content, everything will be provided. So please do not worry. Okay. Yes, Hanan, PDF will be given, do not worry. PDF will be provided in our WhatsApp channel. Link of the WhatsApp channel will be there in the description section, so please join our WhatsApp channel. Okay. Okay, Hanan, we will be providing the PDF. Okay, fine. Thank you students. That's all. Bye bye. Take care and see you soon tomorrow with Somik sir at 11 AM. Okay. Vaibhav, there will be 3 classes. 9 AM there will be one short lecture. 11 AM there will be one live class where we'll be solving questions, and 3 PM there will be another one short classes. Okay. Thank you Shagufta. Thank you so much. Okay, Hanan, we will be giving you, will be providing the PDFs. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye. Take care.